Today I'm doing one of my favorite kettlebell exercises for runners, the double kettlebell clean. I'm using two 16 kilogram kettlebells and the goal is simple, 10 repetitions every minute for 5 minutes. I'm using the Kettlebell Sport Pro timer to keep me honest, which is at the bottom left of the screen. This timer tells me when my next rep is due. It is a great way to build strength without sacrificing quality. One of the biggest mistakes people make with the kettlebell clean is trying to lift the kettlebells with their arms. That is to muscle the kettlebell up. The clean is not an arm exercise. The power comes from the hips. Think of it as an explosive hip drive that transfers power through the body. Your arms is simply guiding the kettlebells into the rack position. They're not doing the lifting. Good posture is equally important. Keep a neutral spine, brace your core, keep your chest proud, and avoid rounding your back. When you maintain good posture, you transfer force more efficiently and reduce the risk of injury. Breathing also plays a huge role. Don't hold your breath for the entire set. Breathe rhythmically and stay relaxed. Efficient breathing helps you maintain power, keeps your heart rate under control, and allows you to recover more quickly before the next rep. So why is this such a valuable exercise for runners? First, it develops explosive hip power. Strong hips mean a more powerful running stride, especially when you're climbing hills. Second, it strengthens the posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. These muscles are essential for efficient running mechanics and maintaining good form when fatigue sets in. Third, it builds grip and core strength. A strong core helps stabilize your body with every stride, improving running efficiency while reducing wasted movement. And finally, this workout develops muscular endurance. Whether you're training for a 5K, a marathon, for an ultramarathon, the ability to produce quality movement repeatedly is incredibly valuable. There is also a mental benefit. Even when you're tired, you stay focused, trust your technique, and keep moving. The mental toughness carries over directly into your running, especially during the challenging stages of long races. Over these 5 minutes, I've completed 50 repetitions with two 16 kilogram kettlebells. That means I've moved a total of 1,600 kilograms. It's a great reminder that short, focused strength sessions can produce a significant training stimulus without spending hours in the gym. This is exactly why kettlebell training fits so well into runners' training schedule. It's efficient, functional, and delivers strength, power, stability, endurance, and resilience in a relatively short session. If you're a runner looking to become stronger, reduce your risk of injury, and improve your performance, I'd love to help. Visit my website to learn more about my kettlebell strength training systems for runners. Download the free introductory program and see how strength training can complement your running. The free program is called Run Strong in 5. It's a 5-day complimentary kettlebell strength training program. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, stronger runners are more resilient runners. Keep training smart, keep moving well, and I'll see you in the next video.